Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to place a trade on Pepperstone in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on pepperstone.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you already have one, or you can also basically create your account if you don't have an account here. So simply click on the option of trading accounts in the left hand side, then you will be shown your live accounts as well as your demo accounts. So over here, simply click on the option of launch web terminal. So what this is going to do is it is going to open the Pepperstone web terminal in front of you. So over here on the top, you will see the number of balance that you have available in your account. Plus you will see the buy and the sell orders as well. So over here, you can just simply change the chart if you want. For example, let's say instead of Euro USD, I want to open the chart of XAU USD. So I'm going to select it over here, and as you can see, this is the chart that is available in front of me. Now you can just simply click on this drop down menu, and then you can select your lot size with the help of which you want to place the trade. Afterwards, based on your analysis, you just have to select whether you want to place a buy order or a sell order. So let's say I want to place a buy order, so I'm going to simply click on the option of buy. Then you need to select the symbol again, select the lot size again, and select whether you want to place the trade on the market price or you want to place a limit order. So let's say I want to place the trade on the market price. So I'm simply click on the option of send order. Now what this is going to do is it is going to show you your trade that you have placed, and you will be shown something like this. So if you want to close it, you can click on the option of this cross icon, and then you can book either partials or you can also close the entire position. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.